From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, happy Monday. I'm student meteorologist Pham here with your Monday afternoon forecast. Beaver Stadium this morning was under a few clouds, but those clouds began to quickly move out, leaving us with very beautiful blue skies. But then as we went into the afternoon, notice that these high clouds began to move into the region, and that is actually indicative of a new pattern change, which we'll be getting to in just a second. Current conditions here at Beaver Stadium sitting around 59 degrees, and it's feeling really nice outside, especially with the dew point sitting around 30 degrees, so it's really dry outside. And with the light wind, it's really feeling really spring-like this afternoon. In fact, high temperatures across most of the regions so far have been around the mid to upper 50s, but there are a few warm spots here, especially 62 degrees here in Pittsburgh. And in fact, our eastern regions are actually cooler as we have a little bit of colder air lingering in the northeast, bringing in a little bit more cooler air off the ocean and from the northeastern regions of New England. But otherwise, way across the state, we're seeing temperature departures from yesterday at the same time of nearly 20 degrees, which is absolutely unbelievable and is really, really feeling like spring outside. Radar and satellite, once again, not really showing too much, although you do see these high clouds, which are associated with another system that we'll get into in just a second. But again, today is a really nice day to enjoy the sun and to get outside and just perhaps read a book or so. But otherwise, this will be changing as we come into the next few days as we look at these two next systems. Notice here in the southern U.S., we do have one area of clouds, and in the northern U.S., we have another area. These two areas will kind of converge a little bit and provide a little bit of energy for tomorrow's system, providing perhaps some scattered rain showers. Now, as we head into tomorrow morning, notice we are pretty much clear, although we will have, I think, a few more clouds than what we are standing at right about now. But notice here, by tomorrow afternoon, we will see the first round of showers, and then by the time we head into tomorrow evening, we will see another round of showers. But notice it's not too widespread. In fact, it's pretty scattered in nature. And I do think that second round of storms might be stronger than the first, given that there will be some sun to really give them a little bit of juice to work with and really fire up in nature. But again, after this comes through, we will see another round of rain that will be coming through Wednesday evening along with a cold front. And it's possible that we see some snow on the backside, although it's pretty hard to pull off here because we are downsloped from the mountains, resulting in the air to really dry out. So that snow really depends on moisture and the cold air to mix together, but I don't think that cold air will arrive in time alongside with the moisture. The next system will be moving in on Saturday. We will be staying dry for the next few days as we head through Wednesday and Thursday. But again, Saturday's storm, don't think it's going to be too widespread here. Just the southern regions being the most prominent with the possibility of rain showers, but otherwise it will begin to quickly move out as we head into Saturday evening, into Sunday, and the sun will eventually return. Now, the big story here is this temperature outlook. Red colors indicate above average temperatures and a higher likelihood of those higher temperatures. Of course, with this comes a ridge, and in the western zones, you get an accompanying trough that will be bringing perhaps a lot of snow, especially to California, where they might see upwards of feet of snow by next weekend, which could push their snowpack average to over 100%, which is absolutely considerable for this month. Tonight's forecast, though, here locally, few high clouds possible, again, with that association of the system moving in through tomorrow. Temperatures sitting around 38 degrees, which is slightly above average, but this will become the new norm as we head into March and it becomes much more spring-like. Tomorrow, once again, we do have the chance of showers with the possibility of some thunder as the storms will have some juice to work with. But otherwise, really warm and really spring-like, 55 degrees, slight south wind at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And of course, your 7-day outlook is looking pretty spring-like beginning this work week and into next weekend. Now, the biggest part of this will be on Thursday, where our temperatures will take a temporary drop here. Notice here the low temperatures Wednesday and Thursday night in the mid to low 20s. But again, those temperatures will rebound as we head into next weekend. Look at this, temperatures perhaps reaching 60 degrees once again by next Sunday. I'm student meteorologist Pham. Have a great Monday.